In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your hidden album on iPhone. Hiding your hidden album on iPhone can be important for privacy reasons. It keeps sensitive or personal photos hidden from casual viewers, especially if someone is scrolling through your photo library. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of photos. On this page, scroll down and select on this option of Show Hidden Album. Make sure to disable this option. When turned off, your hidden album won't show up. You can undo this feature at any time. That's how easy it is to hide your hidden photo album on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.